Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is why affiliate marketing is the best online business to start in 2018 and also how a company makes billions with affiliate marketing. Yes, you heard that right. Some company makes billions of dollars with affiliate marketing. So if you want to know all this, stick around, but make sure to subscribe to my channel because I've got plenty more content to come on all of this. And make sure that you hit the notification bell because it'll notify you every time that I upload a video, which will be very often. And the last thing I want you to do is leave a comment because I always appreciate your input. So with that being said, let's dive straight into it. So the very first thing is it's so much easier to promote other people's product than your own. And here is why. If you think of all the big brands like Amazon, Sony, Nike, all these big brands, they all, or at least most of them, have an affiliate program. And you all know these brands. They are huge. And they are very trustworthy. Everybody knows about them. Everybody has seen people with Nike shoes. Everybody's seen people with like electronical stuff with Sony and all of that stuff. And I'm only talking about these brands, but this is just an example. There are so many big brands out there. And it's so much easier to promote these people's items because you are smaller than they are. Like, that's just a fact, that's the way it is. So, if you are going to start your own clothing brand today that nobody's ever heard about, nobody knows them, like, or at least knows you,
What an idiot.
it's going to be a lot harder because all these big companies have spent millions, if not billions of dollars on advertising and TV commercials, actors, they sponsor very known sports people and all of that stuff, and that stuff you can't do. Yes, you can advertise, yes, you can do all sorts of things, but no, you cannot spend millions and millions of dollars if you do not have millions and millions of dollars. So, you can just like use their name and all the advertisement they've done in the past to sell their product and make a commission off it. And that's because everyone is conditioned to know and trust these brands. So all you have to do is give these brands an extra push. So you make a video about why this product is the product you like. And yes, I'm going to say it again like I say in all my videos. Make sure that it is a product that you truly like, not a product that you just want to sell just because you want to make money, because it's just not good for you and your brand. But if you like this product, you want to promote it, and because they've done so much advertisement in the past, you just need that extra push to have them click on your link and order the product that they like, that they will enjoy, that will change something in their lives, if not their lives. Like, it's really so much easier to do than if you were selling your own things that nobody knows about. And keep in mind that these products are already selling. Everybody has Nike shoes. Well, not everybody, I don't, but so many people have Nike shoes. So you know that they are selling. So if you know they are selling, just you know that you can sell one too. The second thing is it's extremely no risk. There are no upfront costs. You can just literally start for free. Literally, like there's no advertisement whatsoever that you have to pay in the beginning. Yes, after a while it's a good idea to invest your money and pay some ads, but you can start for free. You can start with a YouTube channel and putting the link in the description. And yes, those programs are free to join, so you don't need to spend anything on that either. You don't have to buy the product, you don't have to ship it, you don't have to distribute it, nor do you have to have a customer service. And that's really important because you don't need to employ anybody to deal with things like that once you get big. There's nothing like that. All of it is taken care of by all the brands that you're promoting. So there's literally no upfront costs whatsoever. And no, you don't need expensive camera gear or anything like that. All you need is your phone and...
How the hell did I miss that?
So, you do not need expensive camera gear. You do not. All you need basically is a webcam or a phone. It doesn't have to be the last iPhone or the last iMac or whatever it is. You just need a webcam or a phone and an internet connection. But if you don't have one at your house, you can upload at McDonald's or something. So you don't even need an internet connection. You just need a webcam or a phone. That's it. So, number 3 is you will learn marketing and sales skills that you can apply to any other business. So, if you don't have any money right now, but you're just thinking, I need some money to start a business, but I don't have any money, just start with that and you'll learn so much. You'll learn how to sell, how to market to people, and all of that stuff that you probably don't know if you're just starting out. And then, if this is not your thing, then you can move on to another business in the future, and you'll have some money to start that other business, and you'll have those skills to start that other business, which is very important if you're investing money right up front. But if affiliate marketing is your thing, well, then there's just no reason not to get started. So just get into it and it will be fun, because it really is fun. The next thing is, I think we're on number 4, but in my notes it says 5, but I'll say number 4. It's passive income. Once it's built, it can make you money for months or years to come. What I mean by that is, when you make a video of making a review of a product, for example, and if it's a good video, it ranks up, it does really well, or maybe it doesn't do that well, but it does well enough, well, then it'll just make you money for years and years to come, because people can watch your video 5 years from now and they can still click on that affiliate link and it will work, unless the company goes down. But I highly doubt that Amazon will go down under in the next 10 years. So it is passive income. So there you go. And I said Amazon, but you know, there are a ton of other companies that are that way as well. So don't worry about them going under. If it's a well-known brand, chances are it won't. And just as I said in the last point, if this is not your main focus, you can focus on making that video, and then once you start making money, and yes, it will not take just one video, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it will take a few videos. But once you got that down, once it's nailed, once you got everything that you need to know, you can focus on something else, build another business, because all of this is just like making passive income, making money. It's just like being retired, even if you're not. So it really is passive income, and you can focus on doing other things. And if you do not want to start another business, you can also go on holiday for the rest of your life, sit on a beach or anything like that. So that's another point. And affiliate marketing is not going to die anytime soon. As a matter of fact, it's probably the strongest business model that there is right now. And let me explain that. What I mean by it is, it's a referral, it's word of mouth, it's everything that a company would dream of. If you have a business, if you have a big business or a small business, no matter, you want people to talk about you. So, having people making videos or blog posts about your brand is one of the best things that can happen to you, and the best way to get people to do that is affiliate marketing. So, that's another point. The next one is unlimited scalability. What I mean by that is, maybe you want to make $100 a day, maybe you want to make 50,000 a year, maybe you want to make 100,000 a year, maybe you want to make 100 million a year or a month, anything, that is possible. Like, for sure, you can make that with affiliate marketing. There's no question. People have done it before. And this is where I'm going to give you the example that works. Credit Karma is a brand that I recently heard about. I didn't know it before. Maybe you do not know it. And their main source of revenue is affiliate marketing. And they are worth $1 billion and maybe more. So what they do is you sign up to their website for free. It's free to go to enter, like that is a dream for a customer, and they give you your credit score. So they give you your credit score for free, and you're gonna say, okay, then how do they do that? Well, they gather in your data and they offer you different loan offers or credit card offers, and all of these they do not own. They don't own the credit cards, they don't own the banks, obviously. They don't own any of these, but they are affiliate links. They get commission for it. If they offer you a link that you really think is a good thing, you're going to click on the link, and if you get that loan or that offer or whatever that they are promoting, they are going to get a commission out of that. And they have made $1 billion. So, if you want to make a ton of money, yes, this is a very good way of making money. You can do this, but it is hard work. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Just like I said, you just have to put in work. It's just like any other business. It's not like a money printing machine or whatever you want to say. It is real work. It is a real business. So you do need to put in some work. You need to invest in yourself. But it is possible to make as much money as you want. With that being said, I do have a free Facebook group in the description. So you want to make sure that you join that group because it's going to be really good for you. It is free, 100%. It will help you with your affiliate business, and it's basically around building a brand, a personal brand, and things like that. So make sure that you join that group. The next thing I want to say is please subscribe to our channel if you enjoyed this, and if you made it this far, I can just hope that you have. So make sure that you do subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, leave a comment if you enjoyed. I really like your input. So make sure you do that, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.